Hey, Sylwia here. Look who's here. Hi guys, Sylwia here again. Yes, I am repeating myself. My name is Sylwia. Remember my name. And pay attention, because this is a splendid offer I am sharing today with you guys called Machine Gun Method. So welcome to my Machine Gun Method review, Machine Gun Method by Dave Espino. It is going live today on the 21st of August, 10 a.m. New York time, and you will find all of the details down below in the description box with all of my splendid bonuses, custom made. You will find nowhere else to be found, because I've checked out the offer inside out. I always am mind blown by the quality and simplicity and effectiveness, realness as well of Dave's products. I always learn something new. In fact, this is the realest of the realest. Okay, you will find in terms of reviews about this offer, because not only did I go through all of it from A to Z, I've checked it inside out, I've tested it, I actually follow Dave's teachings. I set up my account with this platform. Dave will be walking you through that you would use in conjunction with his custom GPT that he has been programming and training and updating, improving for quite some time. Okay, guys, this method has got to do with bulk AI video, faceless, voiceless, in a way that you don't have to use your voice. You can clone your voice. That's what I did. If you watch some of my recent videos and shorts, you can probably tell it's not quite my voice, but sounds a bit like me. Quite a bit, actually, I have to say. Because I use the platform, I signed up, you can start for free, then you can upgrade. I did straight away because I knew I was gonna use it, okay? So I'm gonna actually walk you through the platform. That's what I'm saying, that Dave is walking you through in the training course, but, you know, he does it. The why you need this product, okay, if you really want to implement this method and do the bulk content creation videos. I'm talking about videos mainly, and videos are the best when it comes to ranking. Okay, YouTube is number 2 or maybe even number 1. I think people are more and more reluctant to read. Did I put it the right way? I mean, they prefer to watch. Even myself, I catch myself watching more stuff, even though I'm such an avid reader. I love reading. I read all the time. And this is something, you know, I cherish. But yeah, people tend to watch more than read. That's why video content will be ranking higher and higher and higher in the days, months and years to come. Okay, let's get to it. Again, the realest of the realest that you will get from me, guys. I would really appreciate if you pick up this product via the link below my review, via my written review. If you like my review, of course, you'll get some amazing bonuses as well, and you will get my gratitude. This is the energy that has the power to move mountains. Well, with this profound intro, let's dig in. So, here we have Dave. This is Warrior Plus launch. Here we have my written review. Again, I'm not gonna sweat over my written review. You will find all of the details, the funnel details, the front end. Let's just check out the front end, how much it is. There will be a few upsells. $12.99, so $13, and this is a dime sale. So, meaning with each sale, the price will be increasing bit by bit, okay? I don't know, by cent, something like that with each sale. So my review, not reviews, just one review. My bonuses, guys, are beautiful. They will complement this product. I understand the method. I implemented myself, okay? So, I also, by going thoroughly through all of the videos Dave delivers and the custom GPT and all of that, I was like, okay, here I can complement this product. Here I can add more value. So you see, this is what I always try my best to do. So we'll go through my bonuses. You can read about them on my written review anyway, okay? So, guys, if you click get the best price or buy now, you will be redirected to the sales page. This is Dave. Listen to him. Very friendly guy. He loves skateboarding. I know that. He's so fit. Amazing person. And he's so full of beautiful life force. Like very energetic very energetic energy, if I can put, very vibrant. I love that in people. He's very creative, very, very transparent, very real, okay? And again, as much as I've been doing what I am doing, okay, close to 1,000 digital product reviews, I've gone through hundreds of offers. I am always so pleasantly surprised by what Dave delivers, because I actually learn something new. I learn about new platforms that are really like top notch. Yeah, cool stuff. Right, so check out the sales page if that's for you. Click here. As you can see, it's launching anytime soon, in a few hours. Probably it's gonna be already live by the time I manage to upload this video on YouTube. Take some time to do the editing and all of that. Even though I don't really do much editing, but sometimes, you need to cut some bits out and blah, blah, blah. So why am I even talking about myself? Okay. Guys, this is the members area. So as always, Dave is the king of simplicity. Whew, I love it. I like it a lot. Okay. He delivers his product as a PDF. It's not the fleshy side that is the juicy part of it. Okay. He is not trying to pull wool over your eyes and come up with, I don't know, splendid looking sales page is nice, but the members area, no, it's the value that's in it. It's what he is trying to convey, what he conveys, what he teaches you, his amazing experience and his hands-on approach. This is where the value is. Okay. Now, by going through this training, you will be able to follow it to the T, and you will be able to implement it. My bonuses, of course, will complement it too. Just be consistent with it. Approach it with persistency, and you will smash it. Okay. I mean, you will succeed only if you do it. Simple as that. What's succeeding? It's making progress, okay? The process is the goal, not the money. The money is just a byproduct of delivering value and doing the right thing and sticking to it. Yeah, I know it's a bit philosophical, but it is the truth of the matter. So let's not be so short-sighted. It's like, oh, I want money from tomorrow, as if that was even possible. Okay. You have to have the right strategy. You have it right here, the right method, do it, learn it, implement it, and stick to it. And you will see results, I guarantee, but you have to do it with consistency. Why am I on YouTube for, close to 5 years now, consistently? Why am I doing that, guys? I guess for some people, what's needed is a wake-up call, back to Mother Earth, reality and all of that. Let's be real. Okay, so what we have here, this entire system, as promised, is free walkthrough videos that are unlisted on YouTube. 3 videos. Each video is around 20 minutes long. So just under an hour and you will master the system. Okay. To the point, no fluff. Then bonuses. You also get the entire one of Dave's previous launches, which I did review, the 7-figure sales system. I'll show you Traffic Sniper GPT, which has been improved and adjusted. Okay. So the Traffic Sniper GPT is a GPT that helps you create content that will, like, trifecta. Is that what you call, like, triple effect? So not only does it create content that will rank on Google, YouTube, but also inside of AI answers, inside of ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, whatever, Llama. So it will be AI. So large language model friendly. Okay. Optimized. I use this GPT. I learn from Dave all the time, and that's why I'm so passionate and so happy to not only review his offers, but actually recommend them hand on heart. Okay. They're fantastic. But again, money doesn't grow on tree. It's energy we have to attract by becoming it, by becoming the process, by becoming it. So acting as if we already have it, but through practicing it, through daily practices, through improving ourselves, through increasing our vibration, all of that, and doing the daily work, right? I'm sharing some secrets with you, which are no secrets, of course, but hey ho. Where was it? So this is also another bonus you get is actually a live workshop. So once this product goes live, at some point, Dave will send you a link. This is actually the Zoom link here. You register here for the live machine gun workshop, machine gun method workshop. And here are the videos, YouTube videos that I already mentioned, unlisted on YouTube and all of that. Each of them is no longer than 20 minutes. So what Dave will show you here, let me open up the first video. Okay, here he's going, you see this one is 19 minutes long. So he's gonna go through the platform he recommends. I'll show you the platform. I'll not name it as such. Okay, if you know it, you know it, no big deal. Even if I did name it, it will only work fantastically in conjunction with Dave's GPT, which also I use. It's called Traffic Sniper, okay, and what this GPT does, it has been programmed in such a way to work hand in hand with the platform Dave recommends, okay. So I have this platform here. This is my account, you see. You can have it in light or dark mode. I prefer it in dark mode. And here, I'm not gonna walk you through this platform because this is what Dave delivers. I may come back with my own tutorials because from now on, I will be using this platform a lot. Of course, I'll stick to doing my personal reviews, nothing like, you know, my own voice. AI cloned voice is fine as well. Depends what you want to use your videos for. For my kind of content, I feel like, you know, this is my brand, my personal brand. I show up, this is my face, this is my voice, I am happy with, I am proud of, I'm loving it. You know, it's my whole energy that you get from my videos as well. But yes, I will also use it for my channel, for creating shorts, for creating some like, sort of more like marketing videos where I deliver value, where I'll be talking about some like new systems, new ways of making money. I mean, nothing new under the sun, but from new angles, right? So yes, here, if you go to files, see, this is the videos I've already generated. I've been playing around with it for a few days now. I've had, you know, review access to Dave's training course for a few days, and I've been just like, wow, this is so cool. I have to do it myself. So yeah, I signed up. I started for free, but then it's around $7 a month, dollars. Okay. So you can create a lot of videos. For this price, you have 180 minutes a month, and they renew each month. So one video would probably cost you like 1 credit or something like that, like 1 minute video. So for YouTube shorts, imagine how many shorts you can create. I'll be using it mainly for YouTube shorts, but also some a bit longer content videos, like 2, 3, maybe up to 5 minutes. Also, not only the vertical, but the horizontal videos as well. Now, here are some individual videos, but what Dave teaches you, he creates bulk content, okay? Again, in conjunction with his custom trained GPT, which gives you the kind of file you will need to upload onto this platform. And this is a CSV file, and it has been, again, programmed in such a way that delivers you exactly what this platform needs in order to create bulk content, 10 videos, 20 videos, in a matter of few minutes, guys. So that's how powerful, amazing, yet simple it is. Okay, so I just copied it from here, and then what you need to do, you have to go to Google, was it Google Sheets? Yeah, for the Excel, and export it as a Excel file, comma separated. Again, Dave shows you how to do that. And this is the last one that I did by following this method. You see, I opened it up, and then 5 videos in one go. I wanted 5 videos. You can go for 10 videos. You can go for 20 videos. Bulk content. And you have them already. Beautiful videos. Again, let me show you maybe this one. I use my cloned voice. Hold on, let's just mute Dave here, and let me show you mine. Okay, let me just increase the volume. And again, it sounds a bit like me. It's my cloned, it's my AI voice. So listen to it.
Still struggling to scale your content and reach a wider audience? The real challenge isn't your creative vision. It's consistently generating enough traffic. Today, I'm revealing the game changer.
So I'm happy with it. It somehow sounds a bit like me, but I mixed it with American accent, and it's like me. Like, Sylwia, is this you? Not quite, but sounds a bit like me, okay? So, I like it, okay? I would much rather have this voice. It doesn't sound super AI, not at all. It sounds like quite unique, quite like me. So, I'm happy with it, guys. Alright, so this is the game here. There is so much more you can create with this platform. Again, because I also now use this platform, I'll be creating probably tutorials about it, about how I use it. So you can clone your voice. You see the voices here. You record your voice. So yeah, listen to this.
You transform your ideas into stunning videos with our AI.
So I just read some text, I recorded it, and then based on that voice, it created my AI cloned voice that I can use for my videos. And that's what I'll be doing. And then you have templates, all kinds of beautiful templates you can use here, to create your videos. Amazing templates. I much prefer it than Pictory. Pictory is, I like Pictory as well. I have Pictory. I sometimes use it especially for shorts, but this platform beats any other AI video generating platforms big time, okay? I am loving it. I'm loving how powerful, fast, yet simple it is, and quite affordable. And trust me, combined with Traffic Sniper GPT, it's a proper machine gun. As much as I dislike machine guns as a complete pacifist, I have to say that the method, I'm not laughing, like, it's a serious matter, right? But it's a completely different story. It's got nothing to do with, Dave just comes up with catchy names like this Traffic Tsunami. I was like, Dave, I am scared when he shared this Traffic Tsunami offer with me. But again, powerful offer that changed my marketing game as well. I use his custom GPTs all the time. You see, AI Traffic Sniper. This pitch dog is from actually Mark Bishop that I also use, okay? So digital, another one, Review Fortune GPT is another product I purchased from Don Wu. I believe his name is. So yeah, the products I review, I use myself. I buy them very often myself, okay? And because I love them so much, I also recommend them to you guys. See, this is what it's gonna do. You just need to copy the CSV file, not TSV, and then paste it into Google Sheets. Then, of course, download it as a comma-separated CSV file, and then if you go to this platform, you'd click on bulk, create, drag and drop the file, and the videos, as many as you wanted, 10, 25, I don't know, will be ready within a matter of minutes. I didn't have to wait for my videos longer than, 8, 10 minutes. You get them delivered to your email. You can download them from this platform as well. Right, guys, so that's that. I'm not gonna make this review any longer. It's already quite long, okay? But yeah, I just wanted to show you that I am also implementing this method. I'm using the knowledge from this training course and the GPT and this whole system is just mind-blowing, very effective. It's the stuff that works. And yeah, that's that. Okay, so if that's for you, pick it up. Check out my bonuses. They will, again, add supreme value. Second to none, of course. Okay, 10 evergreen YouTube niches. Perfect for faces videos. Does it fit? Yes, it does. It will complement this offer. Mastering AI video marketing. This is quite a bonus, to be honest. And then niche keywords cheat sheet. 50 AI ready keywords for ranking fast. You want your content to rank fast, don't you? And then, of course, prompts are always in demand. So I give you 50 AI prompts that drive traffic to your offers. No traffic, no money. Okay. So guys, check it all out via my written review. And if that's for you, get it. Again, you get my gratitude if you get it from me. I'm not even gonna go through the bonuses and the quality of my review, because that's rather obvious. Remember the gratitude part, because it has the power to move mountains. Right, love you and leave you guys, and see you very soon.